I made a video called Before You Start Trading, link is in the cards, where I explained a few points to consider before actually trading Forex for beginners. And one of the subscribers, shout out to you, Vincent and Joseph, they were like, okay, how do you actually start trading Forex? And I thought that was an excellent question. And I thought, why not make a whole video about explaining this point, because some guys may be out there also wondering the same thing. So hey, my name is Winnie and I make videos about Forex trading for beginners. If you're new to the channel, kindly consider subscribing and hit that bell icon to get notified every time I drop a new video. So let's get started. Point number 1 is know thyself. So this point is also advised by one of the subscribers. Shout out to you, Thin King. Cool name, by the way. Self-awareness is key in the Forex market. It's all about knowing yourself. And for example, you can ask some questions such as, do I like risk? Am I a risk taker? Am I patient? Am I impatient? So having this information will help you a great deal in the Forex market. For example, if you know that you like taking risk and you're like comfortable betting your entire farm on a single trade, please don't, then you're comfortable taking higher levels of risk, where if the trade goes against you by a few pips, your heart is not jumping out of your chest and you're able to maintain that composure, that emotional stability while in a position. On the other hand, if you're not comfortable taking risk, you don't like risk, then a conservative approach is best suited for you, where you should trade just a certain percentage of your trading capital. For example, such as a 1 or 2% or even much lower, then you have better chances of success. Another example is about patience. I'll start by saying patience is non-negotiable. Regardless of whether you're trading on the 5 minutes, the 1 hour, the daily, the weekly, patience will be required from you to trade successfully in the Forex market. So if you are an impatient person, again, I'm sharing all this based on my own experience and opinion. I found that using a trading strategy that focuses on higher time frames might be a bit challenging, because you are required to wait for longer duration of time before your trading setup develops. For example, if you're using a daily time frame to look for your setups, then you have to wait days and days for your trading setup to develop. But if you consider like something on the lower time frames, a strategy that takes positions based on lower time frames, I find that might be a bit easier for you, because you only have to wait a shorter duration of time before your trading setup develops. Again, let me repeat again, that is based on my own opinion and based on my experience, to be honest. Yeah. Point number 2 is about choosing a trading strategy that works with your personality and with your situation. So we've covered personality in the first point, and your situation is more about your time availability. For example, if you're working in a 9-to-5 job, using a trading strategy that requires you to be active in the markets, looking at the charts after every 5 minutes, might not actually work for you. This is because you're likely to end up losing opportunities to trade. And then when you eventually do get a chance to trade, you find yourself over trading. You find yourself taking positions that are not even there in the first place. So choose a strategy that works with you, not against you. Point number 3 is choosing one currency pair, working with only one currency pair. So there are 27 currency pairs in the Forex market, and my mistake as a beginner was trying to trade all of them. It wasn't until I realized the power of only focusing on one pair. So with your one strategy that you have decided that works with your personality and your situation, just choose one pair. And then you backtest it as many times as possible. So by now you guys know that I'm a huge advocate of backtesting, because from experience I've realized 2 things. So working with this strategy, where I'm only working with one strategy and I'm working with one currency pair, I've been able to realize 2 things. So the first one is I'm able to predict where price is going, because I have seen it so many times while I'm backtesting. So I know that when price does this, it tends to do this, and when this happens, this is likely to happen. So I'm able to predict where price may be going. Okay, now with this information, point number 2 is that I'm able to be patient, because I'm able to have a better idea of forecast where price is likely to go. I'm able to be patient because I know that this position, this pattern, how it's likely to turn out. So with patience, now I'm able to take better quality trades. And with better quality trades, now I stand higher chances of actually having a higher win rate compared to the losses that I take in the market. So this has worked for me in my situation, and I'm challenging you should try it out. Point number 4 is developing a trading plan. So at this point, we have studied ourselves, we have understood our risk tolerance, we have chosen a trading strategy that works with our personality and our situation, and we have backtested one single currency pair multiple times. So now it's time to put it all together in a trading plan. So a trading plan is simply a plan that guides your trading process. So in the trading plan, you're going to have to write down your trading strategy, which is the conditions that you need to see met in the market before taking any position. And based on this trading strategy, I found it very helpful to have pictures of previous positions, previous setups that have worked in the past. So every time when I'm seeing these positions, when I'm seeing the pictures of the positions, then it's able to reinforce in my mind what I'm actually looking for in the markets. So we have that information. Now we can write down also the pair behavior. How does this pair behave? Let's say for example, euro dollar tends to make massive moves after breaking out of a range. So that's a characteristic of euro dollar. So writing down this information, you're going to understand. It's going to give you a better understanding of the behavior of your pair. So every time you're reading this, you know that okay, now I'm seeing. For example, now I'm seeing a range. So based on my trading plan, this is actually likely to happen. So we have that information now on hand. Now the last part, and I think one of the most important parts is having a risk management plan. How much are you comfortable losing? Now this is where you're going to write what's the percentage of my trading capital that I am comfortable losing. Is it 1%? Is it 2%? And if you're a bit aggressive, 5%. Whatever works for you. So now we have a game plan and how we're going to be, and that game plan is going to guide us in our trading process. The last point is to open a demo account. So a demo account is simply a trading account that is provided by many Forex brokers that is funded with fake money, but it follows live market conditions. So in this demo account, you have the benefits of practicing your trading plan. That's putting your trading plan into action based on live market conditions without the risk of losing any of your money. So once you follow the process and you're able to test that trading plan in live market conditions and you're satisfied with the performance of that trading plan, then it's time to put some skin in the game and start a live account and open a live account and deposit money. In my opinion, start with money that you're comfortable losing. Please don't trade with your life savings. Please. The benefits of trading money that you're comfortable losing is better management of your emotions. So when losses happen, because they will happen in the Forex market, you don't have such a higher emotional attachment to the money compared to someone who's trading with their life savings. So when you're able to follow your trading plan consistently and manage your emotions as required, then you can scale the account up to your liking. I hope you found value from this video. If there's any important points that I've left out, kindly let me know in the comment section below so you can all learn from each other. So please like, subscribe, and share this content with anyone who'd be into this kind of trading content. And I'll see you guys in the next one.